Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for you. Healthy meal prep ideas for the week. If you're looking to save time, eat nutritious meals, and stay on track with your health goals, you're in the right place. Let's get started. To begin, we'll be prepping 3 meals for the week: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. These recipes are not only delicious but also easy to make and perfect for meal prepping. Our first meal is a classic: baked chicken with roasted vegetables. We've got a mix of bell peppers, broccoli, and sweet potatoes here. These vegetables are rich in vitamins and fiber, making them a perfect choice for a nutritious lunch or dinner. For a quick and filling lunch option, we have quinoa bowls. Quinoa is a fantastic source of protein and pairs wonderfully with a variety of toppings. We'll add avocado, cherry tomatoes, black beans, and a sprinkle of feta cheese for extra flavor. Now, let's not forget about breakfast. Overnight oats are an excellent way to kickstart your day. We have rolled oats soaked in almond milk, chia seeds, and a touch of honey. It's a delightful, grab-and-go option, and you can personalize it with your favorite fruits and nuts. And there you have it, 3 healthy meals for the week, all prepped and ready to go. By spending a little time on meal prep, you can make healthier choices throughout the week and save yourself from those last-minute, unhealthy temptations. These meals can be refrigerated for up to 5 days, so you'll have a delicious and nutritious option waiting for you every day. And that's a wrap. Thank you for joining us in today's Healthy Meal Prep Ideas for the Week video. We hope you found these recipes inspiring and easy to follow. Remember, taking care of what you eat is a significant step towards a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes, fitness tips, and wellness inspiration. Until next time, take care and be well. Happy meal prepping!